So our weavers are kind of like contracted employees. They're all mothers. They all are raising their families and actually work from home. And you do the same thing. I love that because we can't all go out and be in the office and afford, childcare, or don't want to pay for childcare. You want to be the mom at home. Helping create, I guess, a more stable home for other mothers is so rewarding for me. Yeah, you're doing a good job. Last time when we did this collaboration, you got to come and see where we do everything.
Yeah.
You know, is that your company has an amazing story too, working with women. When I've traveled, I felt so much in common with women around the world, no matter how different our cultures were. And that's kind of the story I feel between us. Like, the stories are really similar.
While we were actually in Guatemala, I was like, oh my gosh, it just resembled so much of what we do too. So it originally started with one stay-at-home seamstress. It just turned into more moms wanting to stay home and work at nap time and work at bedtime. Giving other women and mothers the opportunity to work but be able to mother at the same time, that was super important to me.
So much of a need for us to support one another and give each other opportunities and create something that is going to go to another mom.
Exactly.
She's going to hold her baby, and it's so sweet.
Yeah, it's like mothers creating for other mothers, you know? And it's just really special.
Right.
What is most gratifying for, I think, me and you is that we know that our customers know when they buy a Wild Bird sling or buy a Nana bag, they're supporting women working at home. We're creating a different generation of working mom.